market was around $132 billion. They're using the power of data to harness better and better results. Before you spend a good amount of money, create a data science resume. Sign up for data science events and attend them. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've been getting this one question a lot. People are reaching out to me regarding if they can switch to the data science career if they do not have any sort of tech background, if they do not have any degree in computer science or any kind of exposure to the world of data. Anyone can switch to the world of data science, and if this is what you are looking for, feel free to skip the video. But if you want to know how to make that switch, then stay till the end of the video. I'm gonna lay down 7 steps, and using those 7 steps, you can easily switch your career and enter in the world of data science. Also, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. 95% of the people who are viewing my videos are not subscribed to the channel. It will really help the channel as well as me. The market of data science is growing at an exponential rate. In the year 2023, the market was around $132 billion, and it is expected to go as high as $744 billion by the year 2032. Every company in every sector relies heavily on data. They're using the power of data to harness better and better results. So naturally, the demand for data science jobs is increasing day by day. And if you just go to LinkedIn casually and scroll around, you will find ton of entry-level data science related roles, which is also a kind of motivation why people are so interested in switching their career over to data science. And not just companies or data science, even AI depends heavily on data. All the AI models are trained on data. So let's jump right into the video and discuss how we can switch our career to data science. Step 1 is to take a basic course on data science. This course is not to learn each and every point about data science. This is just to understand the prerequisite, what all is required in order to become a data science person. This course will give you insights about programming languages that you need, mathematics and statistics. This course will also help you understand if you're really interested in data science before you spend a good amount of money in order to get yourself enrolled in a full-time college or in an expensive certification program. Step 2 is interest. Once you have that basic certification and you know the basics of data science and the prerequisites, it is very important to answer this question to yourself if this is something you're interested to do. If you're not interested in programming, statistics and mathematics, then data science is probably not for you, because you're gonna get burnt out very early in the stage, or you're not going to enjoy the job. And if you're not going to enjoy something, it's not going to yield positive results for you, and probably your growth is going to be super slow. So it is very important to take that basic certification course in order to gauge if you are interested in the world of data science, and then decide if you really want to pursue. I don't want you to follow the trend that because everybody is going in the world of data, that means it is for you. Probably if you're not enjoying programming, then the best step is to get into business analysis role. Those are not very programming heavy, and that is something you will probably enjoy more than data science. Step 3. So step 3 is the follow-up step 1. Now that you are interested in the world of data science, then you should go and get yourself enrolled in a university which offers a lot of courses on data science, or have a degree program specifically for data science, or get yourself enrolled in a certification program which will focus on every step of how to become a data science person. It is very important that you do either of the one, because it is very important to get in-depth knowledge about every aspect. These certification program and college degree is gonna teach you about programming, statistics, mathematics, and everything that you need to know in order to be a good data scientist, data analyst, or data engineer. College degree is gonna be a little bit more expensive than the certification program, of course, because you're gonna be going to a college or a university in order to get that. It can be a part-time thing or a full-time thing, but anyways, it's going to be more expensive than a certification program. There are a ton of online resources which are available for free, which you can also use. But sometimes what happens is people do not focus a lot on free resources. That's why they try to go towards the route of university. But it is up to you which one you take. All the resources are available online. I'm gonna put the link for few of them in the description. Step 4. This is a very crucial step because after you have completed your degree in the world of data science or you have completed your certification, these steps come into play. In this step, you have to choose the role that you want to be. So the most famous role in the world of data science is data scientist, data engineer, and data analyst. I have created a video on how to become a data analyst in 2024. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can check it out. And this step is going to decide your career path. And this will also be very important in order to decide the kind of project that you will be doing, which we'll be discussing in the next step. So it is very important to choose the right kind of role for yourself because it is something which is very specific for your interest and what you want to do with your career in the world of data science. And picking up the right role is also very important in order to carve the right kind of resume before you start applying for the job. Now the step 5 is picking and doing the right kind of projects. I recommend doing at least 4 to 5 projects before you apply for your first job because you do not have any sort of real experience in the world. So it is very important to do right kind of project. These projects are gonna play a very important and vital role in getting your first job. These projects are something which are going to give insights about your skills and what you are bringing to the table to the recruiter. So it is very important that you do at least 4 to 5 projects and add them to your resume before you apply for your first job. The next step is creating the resume. So it is very important once you have completed all the above steps that you create a data science resume. You should put all the projects that you have done above which are in relation to the data science role. You should put all the skills and technologies that you know about focused on data science. It is very important that you carve your resume and you spend time in building that. Your resume should be ATS proof. I have created a video on how to create an entry-level data analyst resume. I'm gonna put the link for that video as well. Go check it out. It is a video for beginners. It is very helpful. I have gone in detail about how to create a resume for a beginner data analyst position. Now, step 7 is something you all were waiting for. The next step is doing networking and applying for entry-level data science position. So it is very important that after you have created your resume that you apply for entry-level data science positions. If you are applying for data analyst position, for example, it is very important that you go on LinkedIn or any other job search website and you find the entry-level role and you apply for them. Your focus should not be on the salary or the company. Your focus should be acquiring skills and learning new things while doing that job, and that's what gonna get you to that next level. Sign up for data science events and attend them. These are the kind of events where you're gonna meet people who are already in the field of data science. Try to understand them, try to learn more about them, try to know what kind of technologies they're using and learn about their experiences. These are the kind of people who are going to help you in the future and also guide you and help you get your first job. It is very important to apply for the right kind of role and also do networking in this field. Networking can get you very far in the field of data science and technology. So these are the steps that I would recommend doing and following if you are switching your career in the world of data science. And if you feel that this video was helpful, click that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.